Early in the morning on the farm
What a beautiful day, my
Old
friends.
MacDonald saw something strange
Let's
his
go
way.
to the green
A
pasture.
giant egg was shining in the grass. What could be inside?
Never
Let's see
seen an
what
egg
comes
like
past.
that before.
Big egg, what could you be? Shining so brightly for us to see. Shake, shake, shake. What's that sound? Something's moving underground. Mystery egg.
An egg
Mystery
like that
egg. What's inside? What's inside? Shake it, shake it, shake it. Something's hiding deep inside. Mystery egg, we're waiting for the big surprise. What will hatch? What will hatch? Open up before our eyes.
What's in there?
Here comes the cow. Moo, moo, moo. Baby. Here comes the sheep. Ba, ba, too. Baby. Here comes the chicken. Cluck, cluck, cluck. And the puppy runs. Good luck. They gather round the giant egg, looking up and down and left.
We have to
Tap,
follow
tap,
that
tap.
egg.
We hear a sound. There's a little friend inside.
Look at that
Mystery
giant egg go.
Mystery egg. What's inside?
Wait up, little
What's
friend.
inside?
Wait
Shake
for
it,
us.
Shake it, shake it. Something's hiding deep inside. Mystery egg. We're waiting for the big surprise. What will hatch? What will hatch? Open up before our eyes. Roll, roll, roll. The egg goes down, rolling past the farm and out of town. Run, run, run. Don't let it go. Up the little hill we go. Old MacDonald runs so fast. Cow and sheep are running past. Chicken flaps and puppy runs. Everybody's having fun. Wait. What
Well,
do we
hello there,
see?
little
Crack,
friend.
crack, crack. 1, 2,
all so
3.
happy
The
to
egg
meet
is
you.
opening, shining bright. Something's coming
Welcome to the
into
family.
sight.